G'day YouTube. This is my second update. Anyway, so I just wanted to do just a short little update of my channel. Okay, I've just received an email today regarding my channel's partner program. Anyway, the information that I have received is that my channel will no longer, after the end of February, my channel will end monetization program. That's not too bad for some of the channels. They don't necessarily need it or whatever. I suppose in a way I don't need it, but just a little bit of money here and there helps. But so far I've only received $100 off YouTube for the video content that I've done. I don't necessarily do it for the money, but it would be nice in the end. But anyway, yeah, so as of the end of February, I don't necessarily push subscribers on my channel. It's just something that I do. If you want to subscribe. If you don't, then you don't have to. Like I said, I don't push it. But anyway, yeah, apparently at the end of February, if you don't have like 1,000 subscribers and something like 4,000 hours of watchable content or something like that, yeah, the monetization will end. Okay, fair enough. I haven't been at it that long. Have say 4,000 hours of content, but I don't know. We'll see how we go. In the end, I mean, possibly later on they can change that status and it becomes monetization again. But at the moment it's still monetization until the end of February, and we'll see how we go there. But I don't know. That said, I'm excited to tell you that I'm getting a 3D printer. Yes, been wanting a 3D printer for a long time. So I will show you when I get it and where I put it and things like that. Yeah, so I've been wanting one for quite a while. Trying to get the money for something like that for me is a bit difficult, but don't know. So we're finally splashed out and we've bought it. At the moment it's in a box. Yeah, just got to do a little bit of tidying up. As you can see, well, anyway, not necessarily just, it's not going in here, it's going into the computer room. Yeah, so I just got to clean that space there, then I'll put it in and you can have a look. Yeah, so basically I've covered the YouTube and the 3D printer. So I'm going to be doing projects with the 3D printer, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you along. I'll still be doing other projects not involving the 3D printer, like melting and things like that. But the 3D printer will give me I hope it will give me a good base to be building other things that I'd like to build. Things that I can visualize, but I can't necessarily build it at the moment. In the background, you've probably seen this. This is my airship. I built this airship a little while ago. Well, not a little while, a couple of years ago. It's based off of a paper model plan that I found on the internet. I think this is meant to be the Hindenburg, possibly. I think it's Hindenburg, yeah. Well, one of them. Anyway, so should be another section of this bit here, and on the end, plus there's an end bit that goes on the end of that. So yeah, Anyway, this isn't made out of paper, as you can probably tell. It's plastic. Anyway, so with the 3D printer that I'm getting, it's going to give me a good opportunity to redesign this. What I want to do is I want to actually make the structure a whole lot thinner. Ideally what I want to do is I want to make like the internal framework of an actual like the Hindenburg. This is strong, yes, but this will only give like an outside appearance. For example, like when we skin this, if I put a skin on this, you won't be able to see. You won't be able to see the internal structure, and that's quite fine for the airship. But what I like to see in the model is the actual the internal beamwork, and with the current model I can't see that. It doesn't look good for me anyway. Yeah, so that's one of the things I'd like to do with the 3D printer when I get it. Yeah, so you know, I don't know if you've seen this hanging around, but yeah. Hey YouTube, can you see my airship now? Look at it! It's fantastic!